Well, good night, honey.
What about the monsters?
What monsters?
The monsters that come out at night.
You know who can stop monsters, right?
Thumbelina!
Right! And here she is!
Yay!
I'm Thumbelina. What's your name?
Zoe.
Now remember, no monsters can ever get me, just like no monsters can ever get you, Zoe.
Yay!
Who's this? Are you friend or foe? Well, hello, strange creature. See, you really are a friendly monster. Ow! Your claw's on me, and it really, really hurts. Maybe you could let go? Ow! You just bit me right on the ear. Now you're biting off my ear, and I have to admit, that's really, really painful. Oh, so incredibly painful. Oh, good. The monster is walking away. Phew. Oh no, it came back! What's that dangerous look in your eyes? Why won't you leave me alone? My eye! Oh no! You're clawing out my eye! I'm blind! I'll bite my way out, except I have no teeth! Ow! My eye!
Make it stop!
Oh, let go! Let go! You're killing me!
Where did this cat even come from?
Oh, the humanity! Heaven forfend! I'm dying! Why? Is there no God?
Oh, well, good night, honey. That was a good story, right? Okay. Well, don't let the monsters bite.